Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024 Hyundai Elantra N. As the automotive landscape evolves, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N emerges as a compelling addition to the realm of small sports sedans, blending dynamic performance with practicality and modern design. Representing Hyundai's foray into the performance sedan market, the Elantra N embodies the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences without compromising on everyday usability. At the heart of the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N lies a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, generating an impressive 276 horsepower and 289 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an available 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the Elantra N delivers swift acceleration and precise power delivery. With its potent powertrain and responsive handling, the Elantra N offers a spirited driving experience that is sure to delight enthusiasts. But the Elantra N isn't just about performance, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Hyundai's engineers have fine-tuned the Elantra N's suspension, chassis, and steering to provide exceptional agility and responsiveness, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with precision. Whether navigating city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the Elantra N offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress. In terms of design, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N exudes an air of sportiness and sophistication. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by aggressive front styling, bold body lines, and unique and specific accents, makes a bold statement on the road. The Elantra N's sporty appearance is further complemented by 18-inch alloy wheels, dual exhaust outlets, and a rear spoiler, which add to its dynamic stance. Inside the cabin, the Elantra N offers a driver-focused environment that is designed to enhance the driving experience. Sport seats with bolstered support, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum pedals create a race-inspired ambience, while advanced features like Hyundai's infotainment system, wireless smartphone charging, and premium audio system provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N represents a compelling option in the small sports sedan segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and modern design, the Elantra N offers enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience without sacrificing practicality. Whether tearing up the track or navigating city streets, the Elantra N promises an exhilarating and memorable journey for drivers and passengers alike.